Alright, so it is 9:35 on Friday night. We are at a campground. My dog Randolph has got a couple capes tied around him of blankets, and we're in the middle of this tent. And I woke up freezing, and we went to bed at like 7:30. And I looked at my watch, and it was 9:30. It's gonna be a miserably cold night, but it's all for adventure, right? So pray that we don't freeze to death. So we survived our first night camping in sub-freezing temperatures. The wind was howling all night long. It was miserable. I had to wrap Randolph up in several blankets. The tent is definitely not made for winter. It's made for summer. Most of the top is like this mesh stuff. So we had to like tie this little thing on top of it, and it really wasn't keeping the wind out. It was miserable. But I want to brighten up your morning because Chance is going to play a Native American flute. So we're taking a hike up the mountain, and we're going to see what we can see on top. Catch some creation. So I woke up this morning feeling kind of rough, and now a few maybe minutes into the hike, 30 minutes into the hike, I feel sick. I felt sick before we left, but I feel even worse now. Everybody's way ahead of me, so now I'm just kind of dragging, going up the mountain. I feel like I want to throw up. I think I ate some bad SpaghettiOs or something around the campfire last night. So this is going to be interesting. Alright, check it out. We're on top of a mountain. Down below is the valley. Ezekiel 37, the valley of dry bones. Ezekiel gets the command from God to prophesy to bones to come up and be a vast army for God. And all they were lacking was the breath of God in them. And I'm asking you, do you have the breath of God in you? Have you really received Him in your life? And can that turn your dry, nasty bones into something with flesh on it that can be used for the kingdom like an army? Think about it as you look down into that valley.